Hello, hello, hello! Naalala ko nung bata kami, ito yung mga laro namin. Pinag-iipon namin yung tubig sa gitna ng dahon. At sinong makauna nun, siyang panalo. It takes wisdom and strategy to win the games. But the Lord says, the Lord gives wisdom. Bakit kaya ang Diyos nagbibigay ng wisdom? Kasi alam ng Panginoon na kulang tayo ng kaalaman para patakbuhin ang ating buhay. Dalawa naman ang mangyayari sa buhay natin. Either you fail or you win. Lahat tayo gustong manalo sa buhay. But if you don't ask God for wisdom, certainly you will fail. The good thing is, God will not look upon your failure. As long you pray and ask for wisdom, He will give it to you. Because He knows that you need a wisdom that comes from Him. All I can say is, life is hard, but God's good. Swish!